Well, this aircraft is actually built for using the wingwalkers on the aircraft.
I stand on the top wing and then I climb down to the bottom wing and we perform different poses and wave to the audience.
It's a little bit stronger than a normal aircraft, so we bring 2 wingwalkers with us, one on the top wing and one on the side wing.
So you have to practice a lot, you have to be strong and you have to get experienced before you get up there.